Hi, it's Sarai, and today I'm going to show you how to create a baby hem. A baby hem is basically a very narrow hem. It's a rolled hem that you do without a rolled hem foot. And it's great for very delicate fabrics. You guys requested this video after our last video, which was about sewing with silk. I have the skirt here from that video, and you can see it has a very, very narrow hem. And so if you're sewing with light fabrics, a baby hem might be a really good choice for a very professional finish. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. Using a straight stitch, sew a line of basting 1/8 inch below your hem allowance all the way around the edge you'd like to hem. For example, if your hem allowance is 5/8 inch, stitch it 1/2 inch. Press fabric to the wrong side along the stitching line. Now stitch a scant 1/8 inch in from the bottom of the folded edge all the way around. Carefully trim the excess fabric as close to your stitching line as you can. You may wish to use smaller scissors for this step. As you trim, try holding the bit you're cutting in your non-cutting hand to keep it taut. Roll the bottom edge towards the wrong side of the fabric to create a tiny fold. Press that down. Stitch down the center of the fold all the way around. You'll see 2 lines of stitching on the inside and 1 line on the outside. And there you have it, a tiny little baby hem. If you like this video, be sure to like it down below and click subscribe. Thanks for joining us and happy sewing.